The automation is where things are going nowadays. A lot of people are losing jobs because of automation. If they get a degree in automation, then you're taking those jobs that other people are losing. Pretty much everybody who's came here has got a really good job. In this program, we're very hands-on. Students get their hands on the chips, they build things. They've built some really unique things like car washes, and they've built biomedical instruments. They've built robotic arms, a lot of many different things.
If you look at today's work climate, all the paying jobs and everything like that is in automation technology, and that's the direction it's going to continue moving, kind of getting myself ahead of the game.
All of our students are strongly encouraged to be creative and come up with new ideas.
Instructors are really helpful, they're really knowledgeable, they know what they're doing. There's a lot of good jobs pretty much wherever you go in this field.
We have students that could come here for 2.5 years and actually get 3 degrees. Since I've been here, we've pretty much placed everybody if they wanted a job.
This is a great program to get on board with because technology is taking over everything, and you kind of need this if you want to succeed in that field. It just makes the most sense to me.